100-foot waves, minus 20 degrees Celsius. Yet UK engineers extract billions in oil every single day from the freezing North Sea.
The only way in and out is by helicopter, braving minus 20 degrees and hurricane winds to reach the North Sea oil platforms.
Every second, millions of dollars of premium North Sea crude gold flows through these pipes, the ultimate reward of impossible engineering.
3,000 meters down, no sunlight, crushing pressure. Only robots can do the impossible work beneath the North Sea.
This is the North Sea Hummer, humanity's greatest engineering triumph, and billions of dollars of oil pulled from the freezing depths.
"100-foot waves, minus 20 degrees. Welcome to the North Sea, in this freezing, hostile ocean where engineering battles nature every day."
This platform stands on legs driven into the seabed, engineered to survive anything the North Sea throws at it, day after day. Every day, millions of dollars of crude oil flow through pipes just like these, and the lifeblood of the North Sea operation.
These workers live and operate in conditions most people cannot imagine, battling the freezing North Sea every single shift.
Excess gas is burned off safely, a controlled inferno above the Arctic waters, powering the North Sea triumph.
The only way in and the only way out is by helicopter, braving the freezing North Sea storms daily.
Rogue waves can reach 100 feet. The platform does not move, standing firm against the freezing North Sea fury.
Inside the control room, every well, every valve, every pipe is monitored in real time, keeping the operation alive. Below the surface, pipelines stretch over 1,000 kilometers across the seabed, carrying the precious North Sea crude.
The final product, premium North Sea crude loaded for refineries across the world, billions in every tanker hold.
But how do you find oil buried 3 miles beneath the ocean floor? And the question that unlocks billions.
Somewhere beneath millions of square kilometers of freezing water, and the oil waits hidden for millions of years.
This single vial took millions of years to form and billions of dollars to extract from the freezing North Sea depths.
The search begins with seismic ships dragging sensor arrays across the ocean surface, mapping what lies below. Compressed air blasts send sound waves deep into the earth below the sea, revealing hidden reservoirs.
Hydrophones capture returning echoes, and each wave reveals a layer of rock below the North Sea floor.
Computer models reveal what lies beneath, and this bright spot could mean oil the prize beneath the waves. A semi-submersible rig, 30,000 tons of steel, is towed to the drill site, ready for exploration. Dynamic positioning thrusters hold the rig exactly in place within inches against the North Sea currents. The drill string drops through the moon pool 5 kilometers of steel, heading straight down into the unknown. Diamond-tipped drill bits cut through solid rock at depths where pressure is immense, the key to unlocking oil. Drilling mud carries rock cuttings to the surface, and geologists read the earth in every sample from the depths.
Dark staining in the core, crude oil trapped in porous rock for millions of years. The prize is real.
In Scottish shipyards, platform jackets are built structures taller than skyscrapers, ready for the North Sea.
Every joint is welded by hand. Structural integrity means survival in the North Sea, the ultimate test.
The topside module, living quarters, processing plant, and drilling rig, all in one structure, built for the North Sea. Crews live on the platform for weeks at a time. This module is their home in the middle of the ocean.
20,000 tons of steel launched into the sea, and the jacket will be upended on site for the North Sea.
Controlled flooding rotates the jacket upright. Its legs will be anchored to the seabed forever.
The crane vessel lifts the topside, one of the heaviest lifts ever performed at sea, completing the giant.
Piles are hammered 60 meters into the seabed, anchoring the platform permanently to the ocean floor.
After years of construction, a completed platform ready to drill the North Sea champion.
Now the real challenge, installing equipment thousands of meters below the waves with robots and divers.
Remotely operated vehicles, the robots that work where humans cannot survive, the deep unknown.
3,000 meters down, no sunlight, crushing pressure, near freezing temperatures, the robot's domain.
ROVs perform tasks that would be impossible for human divers at this depth, in total darkness.
The Christmas tree, a valve assembly controlling the flow of oil from each well, installed by robots. Flexible flow lines connect satellite wells to the main platform subsea highways for crude oil flow. From the surface, pilots control robots working in total darkness thousands of meters below with precision. Saturation divers live under pressure for days, and their bodies adapted to the deep for inspections. The platform's own derrick drills production wells punching through rock to reach the oil reservoir.
Directional drilling reaches reservoirs kilometers away, all from a single platform, maximizing efficiency. Steel casing is cemented into the wellbore, sealing it against collapse and leaks forever.
Explosive charges perforate the casing, and crude oil flows into the well for the first time. The payoff.
What comes up is a mixture: oil, gas, and water, and they must be separated on the platform.
Under immense reservoir pressure, the well fluid surges up the riser to the platform, the moment of truth. Inside the separator, gravity does the work. Gas rises, water sinks, oil stays in the middle, pure separation.
Premium North Sea crude amber gold worth over $80 a barrel, the liquid treasure.
Natural gas is separated, cleaned, and either exported or used to power the platform itself. No waste. The platform never sleeps. Night shifts keep the oil flowing through storms and darkness.
Produced water is cleaned to strict environmental standards before any discharge, protecting the ocean.
Pipeline pigs are launched through the lines, cleaning and inspecting over 1,000 kilometers of subsea pipe.
Beneath the waves, pipelines carry crude oil hundreds of kilometers to the shore, the hidden arteries.
Booster stations maintain pressure across vast distances, keeping crude oil moving to shore.
After hundreds of kilometers beneath the sea, the crude oil reaches dry land, and at last the journey continues onshore. The onshore terminal where North Sea crude is received and tested and prepared for export to the world.
Every barrel is tested for quality, API, gravity, sulfur content, water cut, premium grade only.
The stabilization unit removes dissolved gas, making crude safe for tanker transport, ready for market. Each tank holds hundreds of thousands of barrels, billions of dollars resting in steel, the North Sea harvest.
From the tank farm to the jetty, and the final leg before crude meets the open market and the world.
A supertanker, 3 football fields long, waits to carry North Sea crude worldwide. The global journey begins.
Loading arms lock onto the tanker, and crude flows at thousands of barrels per hour, filling the holds.
Millions of dollars of crude oil pour into the tankers, holds filling in hours, the reward of engineering. Loading complete, 2 million barrels of North Sea crude, ready for the global market, mission accomplished.
The tanker departs, carrying North Sea crude to refineries across the globe, and the cycle continues.
Hundreds of platforms operate across the North Sea, an offshore industrial nation built by human ingenuity. Every 2 weeks, crews rotate heading home, while others take their place on the platform, the human heartbeat.
Weather monitoring is constant. North Sea storms can arrive with little warning. The platform stays ready.
Freefall lifeboats, the last resort, designed to launch even in the worst conditions. Safety first.
A platform requires constant maintenance. Every valve, every bolt, every weld inspected the unsung heroes.
150,000 barrels a day, billions of dollars flowing beneath the waves, the North Sea powerhouse.
Another storm arrives, and the platform stands, as it has for decades, unyielding against the North Sea.
From ancient seabed to global fuel, the North Sea remains humanity's greatest engineering feat.
This production by Next Voyage Labs is created for educational and illustrative purposes using advanced AI technologies. Every frame in this video has been transformed through a multi-stage editing process. From GIF conceptualization to video generation, human creativity leads every step. Next Voyage Labs channel is dedicated to original AI craftsmanship and follows all 2026 YouTube monetization rules.